Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, so today I'm gonna show you guys my latest item that I got in the mail. So let me get right to it. Alright, let me set the camera down since I don't have it on the tripod. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, this is the Crucial brand 8GB desktop memory, aka RAM. Alright. If you guys are wondering why I got this, it's because I decided that I'm going to be reviving, or should I say upgrading, my latest computer. I'm sorry, not my latest computer, my secondary computer, which is a Dell XPS 420 that I purchased before my Asus G11 computer. Alright, so it's 4 sticks of 2 GB each. And if you guys have the Dell XPS 420 computer, the maximum RAM capacity that it can hold is 8 GB. Alright, that's why I got only 8 GB and not my preferred 32. Alright. Alright, so basically I'm investing the most money I can on my Dell XPS 420 because since I decided to keep it, I'm going to be upgrading the entire computer, everything but the motherboard. Alright, so that's going to be the internal hard drive, which I already did, to 2 TB. Even though I have another 2 TB of capacity space open, I'm debating if I should just go all out with a 4 TB hard drive or not. The graphics card, the power supply, the CPU, and the RAM. So my RAM is already maxed out, and so is one of the 2 internal hard drive bays. So I've still got another 3 more items to purchase to max out my computer, pretty much. And I would not want you guys to miss that. Alright, so here it is again, the Crucial 8 GB total desktop memory RAM. Alright, and again, for the Dell XPS 420 computer, the one that was manufactured in 2007. Alright, so let me know what you guys think about that. Thank you guys for checking us out. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, rate, share, enjoy, and I will gladly get to you guys soon. Alright, and that's all she wrote.